Hello, my name Amin. In this video, I will show you how to create a database table while activating the theme, or if it doesn't exist, and drop the table while deactivating the theme. First, we go through, let's see. Okay, we are within the test team directory. Next, we go within the includes activation class, and we have a dedicated method for generating the new WordPress database table. First of all, if we're going to explain, we need to have access to the WPDB, which is the WordPress database abstraction object. Yeah, it holds all the methods, like all for updating, creating, what else, like deleting, read, get result, all the stuff that we're gonna be using to interact with the database. To get the character set, we have this method, which of course it's a method from the WP database. Then we require the upgrade from the absolute path. WP admin includes upgrade.php. Next, okay, it's good practice to WP prefix with you have to avoid a conflict with other teams and plugin. It's better to use, for example, your own prefix, and then let's put it this way, the database table name. Let's put it, for example, test table. Okay, next, the actual SQL that will be used to create our table. And the table name, and then we start defining the column of our table, which by default will have an ID, which is a medium and increment. Let's put, for example, email var, which is a varchar, a string, 50 character, not null, and okay, varchar. Finally, what else do we need to define? Yes, the primary key. Primary key, which is the ID column. finally we have to tell what is the character set and semicolon. As you can see, I'm copying from this comment. Finally, we're gonna use the maybe create table, which will like the parameters need first the table name. This is the table name. The next is the SQL statement, which we defined in the previous, and finally semicolon. This method, like the maybe create table, this method check if there is an existing table within the same name. Otherwise, it will create the table. It's better than directly running the query without validating in case the activation, deactivation, and stuff. Next, if the syntax correct, the database table will be created successfully. We can go to test, activate. Now I have this plugin, WP Admire. Okay. Permalink, post name. We need to, yes. Okay. As you can see, the database table wasn't created successfully. Let's go back and check the logs. And this is a log while creating or while deactivating the team. It should be within the WP content. Debug. Are we sure that is, yes, this is the correct team. Okay. We don't have logs. Why it's not? Not no varchar. Medium int. Okay. as you can see, here is our database table. There was an error with the syntax with the medium int thing. Okay, so we make sure that our WordPress new database table already created. Thank you for watching, and again, happy coding.